Would you love to have a bright, clear, radiant aura that other people can sense and feel? If so, I'm going to guide you through a very easy, short aura clearing exercise later on in this video. But first, I'm Krishanti, and welcome back to my channel where the topics are always about intuition and spiritual and personal growth. And you know, we are in interesting times right now on the planet. The frequencies are changing. We are in this new 5D reality that everyone's talking about. And if you're here and you're interested in this, you are on this path of ascension. You're in it, you're doing it, you're going through it. Now, the interesting thing about this is not everybody is. Some are going to be in the old age and they are not going to change. And that can create an environment on Earth that is stressful because there's you're here leveling up and other people are here, and those who aren't leveling up can tend to be unkind, negative, and sometimes even violent and rude to those that they perceive are doing something or having something that they don't have, or that they are not attaining, or whatever. It's one of those things. It's not fun to talk about, but the good thing is that the stronger you are in your vibration, the better you'll be able to navigate through the world. And those people who aren't really able to up level at least will feel your peaceful, radiant, clear aura and that clear energy, and that in some shape, form, or another will help them, and it will help you to have more peace in your life. Because again, tumultuous times as we shift, as the old fades away, change for many of us is challenging, but the more secure you are in your vibration and your aura, the easier it will be. Now let's talk just for a minute about energy. And also, I'd love to hear your comments about this as you're listening to this, as you're thinking about your experiences with ascension and your spiritual growth, and after you do this exercise, how you feel. Please share in the comments. But when you are on this path of growth, your energy is becoming finer, and that's the energy of your physical body too. You're going to be able to do things more easily than you were before, because energy is more easy to shift and change. And the whole world of what I teach, which is about really deepening into your intuition and activating your own psychic abilities, is moving energy and shifting energy. So our bodies, and your body, your own body, is getting lighter and finer. The frequency is shifting, and your aura is kind of like connected with the body, but the aura may still hold, and the body also may still hold older energies that need to be released. And what many people believe and teach is that, and it's sort of like a known truth, I'll say it like that at this point, is illness, disease, negative energy typically appears first in your aura before it comes into your body. So if you're keeping your aura really radiant and clear, your body will be healthier and in a state of clarity as well. So it's a wonderful thing. And I'll say this before we get into the exercise. If you don't have time to sit and actually do a physical aura clearing, just being in a very beautiful, pristine spot in nature, walking, getting into some beautiful clear water, can help clear your aura as well. But there's something so cool about applying energy, your own energy, into your own body and aura, and then noticing how other people respond to you after you've done it. That is just almost incomprehensible. It's so cool that we can shift that so much. And when we work with energy, we really bring it down to a color. Now, with that in mind, when I talk about visuals here, I'm talking about seeing it with your third eye or with your imagination. Some people can see auras, and I remember trying once with a friend, and we had a real hoot. Like, we were cracking each other up. trying to like see. We did this thing. You kind of soften your gaze, and like it was just so funny. We couldn't really do it in real life, but what you see when you're in that intuitive mode is very real as far as colors are concerned. And if you want to activate your sight so that you see that in everyday life, I don't know that I can help you. It may be something though you can intend and manifest and have happen, because that would be cool. Maybe I'll work on manifesting that, because that's a neat thing to be able to just see an aura walking around. It may be kind of hard though. The medical medium, I'm rambling now, but I remember reading about him. You know who he is. Would have to wear like black sunglasses on the plane because he could see everybody's energies, and it was like too much for him. That just popped in my mind. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get into this aura exercise, which is, it's so fun, but it actually really works. So if you can take about 5 minutes with me. Close the door. Just be in a place where there aren't people around to bother you. And I want you to have your eyes closed. I'll probably have mine open to keep an eye on making sure this is all working, but when your eyes are closed, it will be easier to get into that space of working with your own energy. So just have your feet on the floor, and let's get you grounded by just imagining your feet just sinking really deep into the earth, or just, yeah, like you're really connected, and like sit back, like you're really just, imagine you're in your favorite place on the planet, and just imagine you're there, and just take a few nice deep breaths. And now just envision around you an ellipsoid of light, like above your head, extending your sides and down below your feet, noticing that it extends in front of you, out, and behind you. And let's take a minute with this and fluff it out. So just expand your aura a little bit to where it feels comfortable. And now we're doing a lot of breath work here. Just breathe in the most crystalline, pure light you can imagine. And breathe it in and see it fountaining out of your crown chakra into your aura. And take another deep crystalline light breath and fountain it out. And take another big deep breath of clear light. And now see it fill up your whole aura, from below the bottom of your feet to above the top of your head, with this beautiful crystal clear light. Now, without thinking, let a color pop into your mind that's good for you, the best color you need right now. And trusting that what you got was accurate and correct for you with your own intuition, start to breathe that color in. And just send it out. So breathe it in and start to send it out right now around your head space. Just keep breathing. Let that color fill up all around your head. And keep working at it. I think a couple more breaths. Make sure it's behind your head and in front of you, really filling you up. And now send that color to where it needs to go in your aura. And notice if it lands in a certain place. And keep breathing and sending it. Another breath. And now ask for another color that you need. And it may be the same, it may be different. Start breathing that in and really send it to the parts that you feel you need right now. See it saturating that field outside of your body with that color, that field in your aura surrounding your body. And take your time. You don't want to rush through this, especially not at first. And now just let the idea of the energy around your feet come into your consciousness. And send down there the color that your aura needs around your feet. Moving up through your legs. Remember, it's all around you, surrounding you. Let it fill up with that beautiful color or colors. Moving up through your thighs. In front and behind you and on all sides. Up into your sits bones and your hips. It may be the same color, you may have shifts in color, but now you're just letting that vibration really move through and around your torso, your stomach, your back. Let those colors saturate around your chest and your arms, your upper back. Moving up through your neck. And then let's just put the attention on the area around your arms again and fill that up with the best color or colors. And then move that back up through your head. It's okay if it shifts. That would be a clearing. Moving all the way up to the top of your head and above the top of your head. And this is a fun one. I have a whole meditation on here on Krishanti.com if you want to try it. But I want you to breathe in the most beautiful, sparkling, crystal clear, diamond-like light. Breathe it in. And just let it flow out to your aura, all around your body. And just feel it. Just every breath you take, it's sparkling, beautiful, brilliant light. Fountaining it out through your crown chakra if you want, or just sending it in. Like, let it move all through your bones, through your skin. Like, really bring that deep into your body as you also radiate it out into your aura. So you can shift through breathing it into your body and also sending that brilliant, crystalline, sparkling, diamond-like light into your aura. And why don't you send a message into your aura too? It could be peace, joy, strength. Whatever comes to you right now is absolutely perfect. And as a final seal, let's have the edges of your aura are like a really beautiful mirror. All around you, you are surrounded by a mirror. It reflects out. So you are safe and protected. And anyone that tries to come into your energy will just see a reflection of themselves, while you remain safe in your beautiful, clear vibration. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. That was a short, quick one, but you can shift your vibration just as quickly anytime by color breathing and sending it out into your aura, or breathing in a sort of a frequency that you might feel you need. And the thing about the aura is the more you work with it, the stronger it will get. So you want to, if you want to have a really robust, very clear aura, you want to do an exercise daily. Just like if you want to have a clean, clear body, you shower daily or as often as is possible with water supplies. Brushing your teeth, kind of lifting weights. Your energy is always changing, and your aura, you can go into a place with a type of energy that may not be great for you, and your aura may come out with some of that energy on it. So if you just can quickly clear it out regularly, it'll help you and be that much more robust and strong, and again, help keep your body clear, help keep you safe in these turbulent times and shifting energies. And if you'd like to deepen into this more, I have a beautiful chakra clearing meditation at Krishantiw.com that really heals and clears those centers too. There's so much you can do, especially with this awakening that you're experiencing, just simply with energy, because there's more energy that's accessible right now. And with your lighter frequency, with your vibration shifting, you're able to bring those energies in and feel the change more dramatically than in previous millennia on Earth. So I really hope this helps. I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.